Alright, y'all, let's get straight into this style. I always get so many questions about it. So I already started off with the back and I forgot to record it, but this is how it looked. So you're gonna need a comb, your crochet tool, a bow, and some scissors. So that's what you're gonna need. Oh, and of course the packet braiding hair from your choice. You go to your Bee Supply store or wherever you get it from, 99-cent store. Where I'm from, they sell over there. So yeah, so here we go. So I started off already doing one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, after you do your first crochet, your first, crochet braid, you're gonna part your hair and take some out. So like for every braid you do, you're gonna leave some of your hair out. It should be like twice, because this is not like a full style. This is just so you could look more, it could look more natural on your hair. So here you see me parting my hair, which I'm not very good at, because do my hair myself. First of all, it's hot in that bathroom. My arms was tired. But yeah, so after you part your hair out to cover the crochet in the back, I'm gonna use my scrunchie to put the hair behind me, as you can see I'm doing here. And then I'm going to part a smaller section of my hair, and that's going to be the braid. So what I'm doing now is the back of my hair, as you see, was like I braided it and put my natural hair, braided it, put my natural hair. So this is here I am just braiding it, and you see that is my small section. Well, it's not that small, but whatever. I know my part is crooked. Well, I can't talk today. My part is crooked. So here I'm showing you, when you start your braid, don't start it right in the beginning of your hair. You're gonna start like an inch behind, because you want the front of your hair to cover everything. The more natural, the better it looks. So I'm just braiding it an inch behind my hairline. Fast forward this part because y'all understand I was down in this bathroom. You see right there, it was hot. My arms was burning. It's getting a full workout. But yes, I'm braiding it all across. Yeah, I know my braids is crooked, but you could do it straight, because I don't know, I could barely braid. So yeah, I get to the end, and when I get to the end on the other side of my hair, I also stop braiding an inch behind, because I want the front part to come out. I don't want the braid right in front of my hair. So then you're going to take the fun crochet tool, and this part is to tuck in your braid without sewing it, because if your hair is long, it will stick out. Even if it's short, you could do it to tuck it in. So I just pull it behind, and I use my crochet tool to pull it through and out the braid and under, and it was all tucked in. So that way you didn't use no like thread or nothing. Like this style, I love it so much because there's no thread involved. It's easy to take it out, and yeah. So yeah, as you see here, I'm just weaving the extra piece of braid that's sticking out in and through the braid, so nothing is hanging out and it's undetectable. And this is the close-up of it, so this is how it looked. Alright, so you're going to take your braiding hair as a choice. I'm starting off with black in the back, and I'm going to add color in the front later. So you're going to just take a little pinch, not too thick, not too thin, like that. And same how you did the braid, you're going to do the crochet, you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to stop it, and then you're going to hold it, and then you're going to pull it through the hole. And I only double it twice, because I don't want to be struggling taking it out. So twice, and then you just pull it and it will hold. It's not coming out. It won't go nowhere. I mean, unless you get to a fight or something, I don't know. But no, not even that, because it's literally a knot. You're just putting a knot, and you're gonna do that across the whole braid to the other side. You pull it through the hole and you tie it twice. Yeah, and you're gonna keep on doing it until the whole thing is full. It should look like this. Look at that. Honestly, this style is cute too, if you just want to leave it like that, because it looks so undetectable. But yeah, it should look like that. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. So this part is the front part. So I like to always do a side part with this style, because I don't know, I just like it. So I started parting my hair on this side, and then I'm going to section out a part where I want the hair to lay. And I'm gonna braid a half a braid because I don't, it's a side part, so it can't go all the way around my hair because I just want the hair to lay right in front of me, like on my side of my face. So I'm doing the same thing, but it's gonna be like a short little braid, like that much. And you see I braided it. Then I take my rubber band to secure it, to hold it down, because yeah. And this part is like, it helps to blend your hair natural, not to leave it bulky. You're not gonna see a big bulky braid. And you see it's flat, it blends in. And this is when I started adding my color, and I just do the same thing that I did previously. Crochet, crochet, put it in, put it through. It was hot, yo. It was a lot of work. But this is how it looked after I finished. It looks hecka thick. But so yeah. I don't know why I was using a small comb. Don't use a small comb, use a big comb. So this part is the part before I flat iron. So I cut it, away from my hair, so I don't cut my hair. And this is gonna help you to easier maintain it while flat ironing it. So I'm gonna cut it shorter than this, but I'm just doing this for now because, like I said, I'm gonna flat iron it, and this is easier instead of having that big bush to flat iron. And child, I'm not doing that. So yeah. So this is the flat ironing part. Here I'm telling you to put it on low heat. Now it doesn't have to be the lowest heat, but it has to be, it cannot be burning hot because this is synthetic hair. It will burn, it will disintegrate, it will melt, it'll just be a hot mess. So here I'm showing you right now, it's on like the second to lowest heat. And you see, look at it, it comes out silky and nice. Like, people always be like, how you could straighten iron braiding hair. Yes, and I'm showing you the difference. Like, this is it in its natural state, and that's it when it's straightened on low heat. So I did that all over my hair, and then I used my shears to shape it. And that was it, y'all. That is the style. It is super silky, it's flowy, it will not tangle. But like I said, or I don't know if I said it, but this is not a style that you keep in for like 30 days. This is a style you keep in for a week. As long as you wrap it at night, it will not get tangled. It's flat iron, so it's like silky hair. So it's cute and it's natural. If you like this, let me know. Follow for more, comment something, what do you want to see more. But yeah, thanks for watching.